Transparent pricing for epoxy tables often feels like unraveling a mystery. Many retailers list a single price tag without offering a breakdown of the individual components, leaving consumers guessing about how much each element contributes to the final costs. The wood slab, epoxy resin, metal legs, finishing materials and labor all factor into the price. But understanding these components is key for DIY enthusiasts who want to replicate similar tables themselves. A deeper dive into these variables allows for more informed decisions and ensures the final product aligns with both expectations and budgets. The foundation of any epoxy table is the wood slab, and this is often the most variable cost. Retailers frequently use premium slabs such as black walnut, maple or oak to enhance the appeal of their pieces. The cost of this slab depends on their size, species and condition. For instance, a 2 feet by 3 feet live air slab of black walnut might cost anywhere between $150 and $400 depending on whether it's kiln dried, how much character it shows, and its origin. In contrast, a slab of pine, poplar or another softwood may cost significantly less, typically between $50 and $150. DIYers can find deals by exploring local sawmills or even online marketplaces. These sources may offer raw and finished slabs that require sanding and sealing, which adds to the labor but can save money. Additionally, understanding the qualities of different woods, such as their hardness, grain patterns, and compatibility with epoxy, can help DIY enthusiasts select the right material for their projects. By choosing wisely, they can balance cost with the desired aesthetic. Epoxy resin is another significant contributor to an epoxy table's overall costs. High-quality resin suitable for furniture projects typically costs between $70 and $150 per gallon. The type of resin matters too. Some formulas are designed for deep pours, while others are better for thin layers or coatings. DIYers must account for any additive they plan to use, such as pigments, dyes, or metallic powders, which can add anywhere from $10 to $50 per project. For a 2 feet by 3 feet table, the amount of resin required depends on the design. A simple pour, covering the wood with a thin coat, might need just a gallon, while a river table with deep channels will require several gallons. Retailers rarely disclose how much resin goes into their tables, making it difficult for consumers to estimate material costs accurately. DIY enthusiasts can overcome this challenge by using resin calculators, which are readily available online, to estimate the volume needed for their specific design. The legs of an epoxy table are often overlooked in the pricing equation, but they play a crucial role in both functionality and style. Retailers might use anything from simple steel hairpin legs, which cost around $50 per set, to custom fabricated metal bases that can run upwards of $300. The type of metal, be it aluminum, iron or steel, and its finish also affect the costs. Powder-coated finishes, for example, add durability and visual appeal but can increase the price. For DIYers, sourcing less from platforms like Etsy or local fabricators offers more flexibility. They can choose designs that fit their aesthetic preferences and budget while ensuring their legs are steady enough to support the weight of the epoxy table. Comparing different options and reading reviews about durability can help DIYers make informed decisions. Finishing materials and tools are often overlooked when estimating the cost of an epoxy table. However, they are essential for achieving a polished professional appearance. Sandpaper in various grades, polishing compounds, and buffing parts may add another $20 to $50 to the project. Additionally, a protective top coat such as polyurethane or a food safe oil can cost $15 to $40, but is crucial for ensuring durability and maintaining the table's appearance over time. DIYers should also consider the tools needed for the project. While some items like mixing cups or resin spreaders are inexpensive, others such as orbital sanders or router tables represent a more significant investment. Many of these tools can be reused for future projects, making them worthwhile for those committed to DIY crafting. However, factoring these costs into the initial budget prevents surprises and ensures a smoother project experience. When purchasing a handcrafted epoxy table, much of the price reflects the artisan's time and expertise. Sanding, pouring, curing and finishing can take dozens of hours, particularly for custom pieces. Retailers typically roll these labor costs into the final price, but they rarely disclose how much of the total is attributed to materials versus craftsmanship. For DIYers, eliminating labor costs can result in a substantial savings. However, it's essential to account for the time investment required to complete the project. Beginners in particular may face a steeper learning curve, with additional time needed to reset techniques, troubleshoot issues, and perfect their skills. Allocating time for potential mistakes and adjusting is crucial for managing expectations and achieving a high-quality result. Shipping and handling fees are another factor that can obscure the true cost of an epoxy table. These heavy, bulky items often incur high delivery fees, which can range from $100 to $500 or more, depending on the retailer and shipping distance. DIY enthusiasts can bypass these fees by sourcing materials locally, such as picking up a wood slab from a nearby mill or purchasing resin from a local distributor. This approach not only saves money but also allows for greater control over the quality of materials. Customization is a double-edged sword in the world of epoxy tables. While unique designs and features such as embedded objects, intricate resin patterns, and specialized finishes enhances the table's appeal, they also drive up the price. Retailers often charge a premium for these additions, reflecting the extra time and effort required to create them. DIYers, on the other hand, can experiment with customization without incurring additional costs beyond materials. For example, embedding sentimental items like seashells, coins, or photographs in the resin creates a one-of-a-kind piece that holds personal value. Similarly, using colored pigment or LED lighting allows for creative expression while staying within budget. For DIY enthusiasts, understanding the component of epoxy table pricing is the first step toward creating a similar piece themselves. Begin by itemizing the essential materials: wood slab, epoxy resin, metal legs, and finishing product, and researching their average costs. Factor in the tools needed for the project as well as any optional design elements. Using online calculators and tutorials can help refine cost estimates and ensure a realistic budget. It's also wise to allocate a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Mistakes such as uneven pours or sanding mishaps can lead to additional costs for materials or repairs. Setting aside an extra 10 to 20% of the budget helps mitigate these surprises and keep the project on track. One of the most rewarding aspects of a DIY project is the potential for significant cost savings. By sourcing materials and crafting the table themselves, enthusiasts can often reduce the price by 50% or more compared to purchasing a similar table from a retailer. For example, a professionally made 2 feet by 3 feet epoxy table with custom features might cost $1,200 or more. A DIY version of the same table could be completed for $500 to $600 depending on the materials chosen and tools already owned. Beyond financial savings, DIYers gain the satisfaction of creating a unique handcrafted pieces tailored to their vision. The skills learned during the project, such as working with resin, preparing wood, and assembling metal legs, are transferable to future endeavors, further enhancing the value of the experience. While transparent pricing for epoxy tables remains elusive in the retail market, DIY enthusiasts have the advantage of control and flexibility. By breaking down the components, researching costs, and planning meticulously, they can create a custom piece that rivals professional designs at a fraction of the price. The journey itself, filled with creativity, problem solving, and hands-on learning, adds an intangible value that makes the finished table even more special. Thank you for being part of our creative journey. If this video lighted a spark or inspired your project, don't let the idea stop here. Hit like, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to join a community that thrives on innovation. Tap the notification bell and make sure you are always ahead of the curve with our latest inspiration. See you in the next video.